Hi, my name's Gary. I purchased this truck off of an older lady a couple years ago, and this was her husband's truck. Her husband always wanted a truck like this, and after he retired, and he did retire, and he found this truck. Doesn't look anything like this when I got it, but he took everything off of it, took all the four-wheel drive out from underneath it, and he decided to have it painted. So he did paint it this color. This is his colors, and he went down and had it painted. Came back, put it in his garage to finish up on it, and unfortunately he had passed away. He got sick and passed away. So he could never finish his dream project. But there was nothing in the cab at all, and I completely redid the whole thing. Finished up on the bed. He had started the bed, and I put my own little touch to it. Most people, they have the metal strips that come down in the bed. Yeah. And for myself, I added the sides to it, and I took it down to almost the bare wood, but I wanted to leave whatever he had on it to kind of give it a little bit of character with this darker colors in here. Right. So, but it does have a Chevy 350 motor. I put all the four-wheel drive stuff back underneath it. It's got a 700R4 transmission, Ford 9-inch rear end, International Scout front axle. So it's a combination of different things. Had to completely rewire it. He just had wires hanging and nobody knew what the wires went to, so we pretty much had to start over. And it's just a shame because this, like I say, this was his love and his dream project.
Yeah, that's too bad that he didn't.
And he always wanted to finish the truck and then show it. Right. And I told his wife that's what I wanted to do. And so that's what we do. And now I'm able to, since it's running and halfway reliable, now I can take it out to different events, different shows, and do what I'm doing here today.